In this tutorial, I will show you how to install IntelliJ 2022.3. I assume that you have already installed JDK 15.0.1. Click Download. We have a 2020.2.3. I will download Windows EXE version. Okay, seems like it will take about 4 minutes to download. Okay, once you download it, installation is pretty much straightforward. Okay, learn it. Next, it will be installed in C drive, program files, JetBrains, IntelliJ IDE Community Edition 20.2.3. Okay, I will add 64 bits launcher on desktop. Everything else okay. Just next. Install. It will take about 1 minute to install. That's all. Thank you.